Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick review on the Task Force 18-piece Ratchet and socket set. I picked this up like a week ago, and it's pretty nice. It was pretty cheap. Got like it was like $15, which like the Cobalt set has like a 12-piece, and it was like $25. So I picked this up because I didn't really need it that much, but yeah, got it from Lowe's. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's not Cobalt quality, but it's nice. Push this in, and you get that. Yeah, well, it doesn't stay on there that good, but and all you gotta do is flip the switch, and you loosen. I think it's pretty good if you're not like in need of a ratchet set. It was cheap. It comes with maybe like 15 sockets. I think this side's metric. No, this side's metric and this side's inches. I don't know. But it's pretty nice. There's all the details. Lifetime warranty. Alright. Don't forget to subscribe.